Hey y'all, so today I am in Marina Del Rey. A beautiful day out today, as you can see. So today's goal is sea lions. I want to spot some sea lions, and I will be taking the water, I keep calling it the water boat, the water taxi. It's a boat, it's on the water, so why do I keep calling it a water boat? Anyways, I'm gonna take the water taxi to see if we can spot some sea lions while on there. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so one of the things I absolutely love about the marina is how, look at that, peaceful it is. The vibes are immaculate. It's pretty small, it's not like a huge marina or anything, but there are a lot of cool things you can do here. People usually park their boats. Some people have little boat businesses like the one over there, and people go sailing. And yeah, like I said, today we're gonna get on the water bus, and then we get seagulls. Seagulls are cool. We're gonna get on the water bus to see if we can spot some sea lions. So what the sea lions tend to do out this way is they tend to get on boats. So when the fishermen come out here to fish, they tend to bring like food and they feed the sea lions, and that's why you tend to see a lot of sea lions on boats. Well, not a lot, maybe one or two here and there, but there's somewhere that around here that you can see like 20 or 30. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get there today, but I will try. So here we are. To free up my hands, I'm gonna put this on. That way I do not miss anything. We don't want me missing anything, so you get to see what I see, and this is how we're gonna do it. Because again, you know, being a photographer that does videography of wildlife, I tend to always have like 10 things going on at the same time, and I can't focus on what I'm trying to show you. So before we get on the water bus, not water boat because it's a boat, I'm gonna have this turned on so you see what I see. And yes, we just totally just saw a sea lion just now. It dived into the water, and again my hands were busy. Anyways, let's go. Alright, so we're approaching the water bus. Alright y'all, so got our tickets. That's the water bus tickets. They're $1, so $1 gets you to one end of the waterway, and then if you want to come back you get another $1 and it brings you back. So we're waiting in line for the water bus to come, and then we're gonna get on. Alright, so while we wait, I am going to see, oh, right there. Oh my god, you guys! Oh shoot. I was like, oh my god. Wow, wait, I'm just gonna walk around and look for sea lion, and boom, one comes out of the water. It's right there. Oh shoot. Oh darn it. Oh man, my camera's in my bag. Oh darn it. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna pause this video so I can get my camera out. Darn it. Alright, this is so cool. I didn't think we were gonna see one this early, or this close. Like, we haven't even gone into the marina yet, and look at this, look at this. It's like you're such a showman. Oh my goodness. Show off. Like, look at me, I'm so cute. Let me get my bigger lens ready. Let's see, I'm gonna move this right here while I get my other lens ready. Thank you.
I used to love this song.
Really? And off we go.
Water fun. Yeah, passengers for Hero. Thank you, Waterfront.
It's like being on a mini cruise. So the sea bus has multiple stops before you get to the end and then turn back around. This is the first stop. Nobody's getting off. I think we're all leisure riders at this point. So yeah, leisure riding we go. Still no sea lions here. So we're looking. We're gonna look in the water and see if we can see any sea lions in there. None so far. Yeah, it's like a little chilly. I forgot. I thought it was gonna be a hot day, so I didn't bring a sweater or a jacket. And now I'm like a little cold. But this stuff is like so pretty out here. Again, oh, this somewhere over there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Oh, sea lion! I'm gonna go to the other side. Maybe when we're coming back, I'll go to the other side and you can see like, all the boats and stuff. Alright, we're still waiting at stop 1. Yeah, right. We're still waiting at stop 1. Anytime I see like movement in the water, I'm like, is that a sea lion? Actually, it's not. Alright, so it looks like we are off to our next stop. And I'm going to just show you the right here. What the scenery looks like without me showing you too much of it. I know you love seeing me, but everybody! Yeah. Okay. These are so cute, the little small sailboats with the kitties. Why didn't I have one of these when I was a kid? Alright, so we're at Mother's Beach, and we're gonna chill here for a little bit. I'll walk around and show you. I don't think there are any sea lions here, so we're just, you know, beach chilling at Mother's Beach. Like a little small man-made beach on the marina, but I'll show you when we get down. Alright, so this is, show you where we came off. No fishing. I'm like the fishing Karen at this point. No fishing! No, I'm kidding. I mean, I don't care if people fish, but fish where they allow you to fish, that's all. Yeah, it's nice. It's a nice day. So we're, again, gonna chill a little bit here and then get on another water bus all the way back to the beginning of the marina. Maybe get a kayak or something, but my camera's with me, so I probably couldn't even kayak if I wanted to. Woo. So pretty. Oh, look, it's pelican. All right, hold on, camera. Oof. All right, so look at it, it's a brown pelican. Hi, Mr. or Miss Brown Pelican. You enjoying the view too?
Why can I see the pixels on this?
It's like right there. It's like kind of chilling. I'm wondering why it's not flying away. It's like just kind of side-eyeing me like, what do you want, lady? Alright, y'all, so I am going to hang out with my friend, the pelican, the brown pelican over there. I figured like this would be a good spot to kind of chill. The beach is like on that side, but then the boats are on this side. So if I were sea lion, where would I come? Where the boats are, because that's where the food is going to be. So I'm going to chill here for a little bit and see if I will spot a sea lion. If not, then I'm going to walk around and enjoy the beach a little bit. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna wing it to the other side. You know, like I said earlier, if I don't spot a sea lion, I'm just gonna head on over to the beach. And that's what I'm gonna do. Right now, I'm not dressed for the beach, but I will walk on the sand. The worst part is just having to see if I can see how big this thing I'm carrying around is, but you can't you can't do what I do without it. Well, you could, but you know, wildlife photography, you need like this. I mean, you don't need it, you could use a small camera, but if you don't want to disturb the animals or get too close to them, having a long lens is essential. And because the long lenses are pretty heavy, having a tripod to put it on is essential. Your hands are gonna go, no, I'm kidding. Your hands are gonna shake, and you do not want camera shake in your videos, or your picture is gonna become all blurry. Photography 101. Yes. So I do spot some birds. Birds are always good, but I'm just gonna, you know, walk the beach a little bit to the other side. I'm not looking forward to it, but here we go, because I'm wearing regular shoes, but we got this. Let's go. Not cute. So what I'm going to do is walk closer to the shore. That way the sand is kind of mixed in with water, and it's like a sandy sand. I can already feel the sand on my toes with these. I'm like, I don't mind, but just getting them off your shoes. I'm wearing runners, and getting them out of the runners is a headache. Excuse my shaky camera. It's because I have to hold this humongous lens and walk at the same time. So, but yeah. Oh, you can rent like all these paddle boats, kayaks, and kinds of cool stuff here. This is like a nice little picnic spot too. Like you could totally come on a little romantic picnic with your significant other, you know, bring some towels, beach towels, some snacks, I guess, and just kind of chill, you know. You know, I see birds over there, you know where I'm headed. I'm gonna walk to that side. I think can't see that far, but they look like seagulls. Yeah, they are seagulls. Yeah, so again, no sun still, but let's show you my feet. Yep. So it was right there, seagulls. I'm gonna walk up close to say hi. See seagulls, they're opportunistic feeders. So where you see food, you see them. They're gonna do that little walking away thing. So usually when they start doing that, I kind of stand still. And then they're like, okay, she's harmless. See? She's harmless, then they stop moving. I think this works for some birds, not all birds. So far I know it works for seagulls, herons, what else? And they stop. And then they look at you like, yeah. Oh, look at this one looking at me like, can we be friends? Well, obviously they're here after some food, and we have some pigeons on that side. You can see them, little dots are pigeons. Little dots. Yeah. Sit my butt down and relax a little bit. Enjoy the view. All right. So walking back to the water bath. Oh look, my friend, the brown pelican, is still here.
Yes, so is God. He's still there.
Yeah.
That's good, bro.
Oh, look, it's another heron. All right. So we're just gonna kind of chill and wait, hang out a little bit for the next water bus to show up. And hopefully on the way back, we get to see sea lions. If not, we've seen two, so at least that goal checked. Oh my goodness. It's supposed to be a short ride, same distance, equal distance to how we be. I don't know if we're gonna have a lot of puppies. Well, it's a bit bigger than the one with dogs here. Kind of getting, you know, using. We did hear a bunch of sea lions at a park nearby. So we decided if we're gonna go or not. All right now because again, all over it's afternoon, doesn't look like it, but it is, and rush hour starts very soon. And we have coverage running sea lions. I am so excited. Oh my god, I think I see them sleeping over there, right? Yeah, they're Oh, what's that? Oops, sorry. Thank you. Alright. We saw a pelican. Oh, we're here already. Jeez. I think there's a boat there, so we're kind of waiting for the boat to move. And once they move, we're gonna move to and be right there and get down. Get down, get down.
Look at this, bro. Look how fast it is. Give me dramatic lines. Oh my god. Here we go.
So we're
Who's that handsome guy?
we've been given the go ahead to kind of pull into this is so much fun. I'm hungry though. Let me just see what I see. Turn my camera this way. There. Hey, we are here. Oh yeah, so that's the entertainer there when I was talking about that they have the dinners and stuff, and we gone on it for my mom's birthday a while ago. And it was really nice, like we totally have to do it again.
I've known you about for 7 years.
We're here.
Was then, and then no one to Louisiana.
This is the end and right now.
Are you serious?
So much. It's the best trip ever.
Oh my goodness gracious.
YouTube. Thank you for watching. I record myself on the way home. Right?
Why are you like this? Oh my goodness gracious.
Freak bomb. I love freak bomb.
Alright y'all, so while we were on the water bus, the captain had mentioned that there are a bunch of sea lions at Burton Chace Park. It's about a 5-minute drive or 16-minute walk from here. So we're gonna head on over to Burton Chace Park to see if we can see some sea lions. I'm gonna be in rush hour. There's no escaping it. So it is what it is. What it is. So we're gonna head out to Burton Chace right now. Looks like they are prepping for an event here. It's like a orchestra being set up. Then I don't see any. Just gonna walk around a little bit. I don't know, they have the water bus here. Did we? No, I'm so confused. I feel like we stopped here. Oh, whatever. Anyways, yeah. Because I remember seeing that particular boat, the Legend. Someone's smoking. Anyways, I'm gonna walk through real quick. Alright, so I am at Burton Chace Park. I do not see any sea lions just yet. I left everything in the car, including my camera. But if I do see any sea lions, I will run back to get my equipment. But you can see the look at little seagulls right there. They're so cute. Look at them. Alright, y'all. So I finally spotted one right there. Oh, darn it. Just one. It's gonna. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna zoom in. Right there. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. Of course, my camera's in the car. It's all good though. I'm gonna walk down. Boom. I'm gonna walk down this way to see if I'll see more. And then maybe just go. What did you say? Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at you. I'm gonna go probably move my car closer somewhere around here if I can. Yeah. So like I said, I think they're planning some sort of event or concert here. I'm walking back towards the car to go grab my camera lens. Pretty cool. And yeah. Sea lions are marine mammals known for their playful behavior and agility in the water. They have long, powerful front flippers, which they use for swimming. Sea lions are found in various parts of the world, including the coast of the Pacific Ocean in North America, South America, and Australia. One of the most popular species is the California sea lion, which is often spotted at Marina Del Rey. These creatures, known for their intelligence and trainability, can be seen looking for food on docks and boats. Sea lions are particularly vocal and are famous for their loud barking. They are also known for their social nature and often form large colonies. They communicate with each other through barks, honks, and roars. Remarkably, sea lions can swim at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. They also have a unique ability to regulate their body temperature, which allows them to thrive in both cold and warm waters. Sadly, many sea lion species face threats from pollution, climate change, and fishing nets. Sea lions play a crucial role in marine ecosystem and continue to captivate humans, such as myself, with their grace and intelligence. All right, so this is where I stop for the day. So I can actually, free up my hands a bit to get some sea lion pictures and videos going. And maybe just kind of hang out at the park without having to record myself vlogging. I hope you have enjoyed my little day. In Marina Del Rey. It's a beautiful day out from Fisherman Village to Burton Park. And yes, we did spot some sea lions, so goal achieved. Again, if you enjoyed this, oh Lord, I'm like so tired. If you enjoyed this day with me, do not forget to subscribe, like, tell your friends. There's this crazy lady that goes looking for wildlife all over the place, and she is relentless. Alright, see y'all next time for another adventure. My wildlife travels. Bye.